Good morning everyone, this is Bhargava. We're at Maravanthe beach this morning and I set up a time lapse there for that amazing sunrise that is happening, and we're heading to Goa. So this is day 1 of our Goa trip, and quite naturally it is a journey from Udupi. We made a day out of the journey by exploring some locations along the way, and as said, our first stop was at Maravanthe beach with the hope of capturing beautiful sunrise scenes. Having spent enough time taking in the views around Maravanthe, we were starting to feel hungry. So now it was time to find a hotel along the way. But before that, we decided to pay a visit to the Idagunji Mahaganapathi temple. The journey from Udupi to Goa is around 6 hours, even longer if you intend on doing sightseeing like us. So now that it was breakfast time, we decided to have it at Edapalli Bhattara Hotel, which is just around 10 minutes from Idagunji temple. So we had breakfast at Bhattara Hotel. Hegittu baba dosa? Yeah, the dosa doesn't have much oil. The buns was amazing, especially the kurma. So give it a try. After having a good breakfast, we headed straight to the spectacular Apsarakonda falls. Yes, I know the board says Marine Park, but this route does lead properly to the falls. we've reached Apsarakonda Falls. Now we're starting the hike. Oh my god. So we reached the Apsarakonda Falls location, and now we are looking for the falls. Actually, we thought it would be up there, but that is a viewpoint for the whole location. So we think this road leads to the falls. We're not sure, but we're going to find out. falls only. Yeah. I'm hearing the sound from the falls. It could either be the falls or the beach itself.
Or the tide.
Trying to find a path to the waterfall felt like going through a labyrinth. We were directionless, and in the end that actually turned out for the better. Midst of the search, I did find a composition, so I'll show you here. What I've done is I've placed my brother-in-law here, and there are two rocks leading up to him. There are some debris in the front of in the foreground, but that's okay. So if I just increase the shutter speed, I can expose for the sky. So let's see how the shot come out. So these are the two images I captured at the viewpoint. Let me know in the comment section which image you liked the most, the left one or the right one. Do leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, so we've run into a bit of a problem. We're trying to find the waterfalls in this huge place, and we're not finding it anywhere. Whichever direction we go, we are arriving at the beach. I'm thinking we should have asked at the counter itself. We just went like the crow flies. We are not able to find a damn waterfall. Yeah, wrong way. So we didn't go down there to the beach because there are a lot of wedding and engagement shoots going on. They're like, ಎಷ್ಟು 10-20 ಇರ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂಟ್ಗಳು. So the beach is full of them. So we thought we'll have more freedom here for photography and stuff. Okay, so the falls is at the entrance itself. So we just went inside. So we found the waterfall. It's there. Okay, so we are at the location, and it doesn't seem like we can do much photography. There's a wedding shoot going on in the water along the main attraction of the location. So Yeah, I got some photos, but there were people in it. So I don't think I'll be using it, but I'll show you the photos anyway. And now it was finally time to get back on the road towards Goa. The sightseeing doesn't end here though, because the clouds along the rest of the journey were just epic. You just take a look at this. So we reached Goa by 3:15 and immediately we unpacked everything, got refreshed, and then immediately went for lunch, and after that we slept because we were all exhausted. And now we are witnessing this amazing sunset. And now my brother-in-law has to go set up his laptop for work. I have to back up all the footages from today, recharge all the batteries and get them ready for tomorrow. So a lot of work ahead. The day is not done. Alam. Nam dina mugdila.